Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. This is going to be a quick video tutorial on how to remove the background from photos on your website. So I am looking at the website for one of my practice folders here in ERS. As you can see, I've got this image here and this one here that both have no background, but this one does have a background, so it doesn't look uniform, and I don't like that. So I am going to I'm going to open up a new browser tab and go to remove.bg. That's the website. That's it, remove.bg. All right, I'm going to click here to upload an image. And it's as simple as that. I'm going to click download. And then I can go into my ERS folder, find the corresponding item, click into the picture here, submit my changes, then go back to my live website and refresh the page. And voila, I've got a much more uniform looking website. So that's it. It's really that simple. Just wanted to show you a little trick to make your website look nicer. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.